Welcome, I'm Dorota Trupp, a qualified nutritionist based in Malvern. Today I would like to share with you some information about my upcoming gut healing and fermented foods workshop that is designed for anyone out there who suffers from leaky gut, irritable bowel syndrome, small intestinal bacteria overgrowth, constipation, diarrhea, autoimmune conditions, and food intolerances. And of course, anyone who would like to learn about fermented foods and drinks preparation. This workshop is available to you on the weekends in Malvern, my home-based business, Everyday Holistic Nutrition. It is 2.5 hours of your time investment where you will be able to pick up valuable skills and hands-on information as well as nutritional protocol that will help you to improve your digestion. I will also cover the supplements range that can assist in recovery. The information passed to you on this workshop is delivered in easy to understand format. I have already translated all the complex information to layman terms, and from my observation my students get the picture and are able to follow the instruction afterwards. The nutritional protocol that I will pass on to you is refined and provided with recipes. It has been originally designed by a medical doctor with postgraduate degree in human nutrition, and it has been used by physicians in integrative medical circles for many years now. I also want to give you a background information on the fact that I have struggled with digestive issues for many years when I was younger, and this really set me onto a journey to study nutrition, and later I specialized in helping people to overcome gut issues. There are many different dietary recommendations on the health market, and different physicians will have different approaches to recovering you from digestive ailments. I've been one of those people who tried a lot of different methods on myself and then later on my clients. Some of them work, some of them didn't. When a few years ago I came across this line of work that I will pass on to you on my workshop, my life changed for the better. This information is refined with the right to the point instruction on how to go about recovering from especially leaky gut successfully and in timely manner as well. So you are welcome to join me at Everyday Holistic Nutrition in Malvern and pick up the tools and information that will help you to get digestive health back on track. I provided the appropriate links for bookings in the video description below section. Also you can book and also you can go to directly to my website dorotatrupp.com to book there. Thank you so much for listening, and I am looking forward to seeing you in person and share with you more information about holistic nutrition through my weekly video posts. Bye for now.